Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Andre as he protests um, for Donnelly, who is missing in Jamaica. Now, Donnelly was the girlfriend of a police officer in Halfway Tree, and she's missing. So, go ahead and check out the video and go ahead and support them in protesting as well. Thank you.
Donna Lee! Donna Lee! We want justice! We want justice! Donna Lee! Come on, Jamaica! We want justice! Come on, Jamaica! We are exposed the ugliness! Come on, Jamaica! We are exposed the ugliness! The ugliness of the JCF! Pressure! Pressure them! Pressure them! We are pressure them! Donnelly! Pressure! Pressure, Uno! Yes, Jamaica, come out! Come out, Jamaica! Come on, Jamaica! Where are you? Where are you? Yes, Jamaica, the members of the People's National Party, the Women's Movement, they are here with us. Mrs. Duncan Sutherland, why do you stand here with the people today?
We're standing here because we have to end gender-based violence in Jamaica. And because when police are persons of interest, for us to maintain trust in our police force, we have to act with alacrity. And so too many women, just yesterday a gentleman turned himself in for killing a woman who is from the constituency of South East
Clarendon.
and was found in Mandeville.
We have to pressure the system some more.
Yes.
More needs to be done.
Justice, and we need to make sure that the police are able to maintain a system of trust by acting with alacrity in this case, because two of the persons in this case are members of the JCF.
The voice note, the recordings that are circulating.
Well, I'm not commenting
on that one.
Voice notes or any of those things because I don't know the veracity of it. What we do know is that Donnelly is missing. What we do know is Donnelly was in a relationship with a policeman. And what we understand is that policeman also had a relationship with a policewoman. So we know something is wrong.
And we need to
she is missing, and we need to know. Police need to act with alacrity. They need to act in this situation. If we are going to maintain law and order or begin to restore law and order
I agree.
in our country, the police need to show that they are trustworthy.
I agree.
And act in the situation.
Thank you.
Why I'm standing
Thank
with
you.
the family, and I'm so proud of her younger brother, who is, well, up to this point until September, from the head boy of Wilmot, just graduating, articulate young man. She herself was an articulate young woman, and it is really a very sad situation.
So we stand here resolute today.
Stand here, we need more action. We need to understand. The police needs to communicate with the country as to what's going on with this investigation. It is sad to hear that Kathy is not going to be until August
3rd.
I do not understand
Why Indicom is taking so long.
Why does it have to take so long? The same situation occurred with the Nzinga King situation, where the person interest was a policewoman and nothing was investigated until 1 month after.
1 month after. So you're demanding that we carry the date up. We're asking for a date this week for the questioning.
I just don't know why, and I want them to explain why.
Why is it taking up to August 3rd? My God.
Well, people, so the famous team, you know, I would love to come out to the people.
Say LA Lewis is here, Jamaica.
Yeah. So, you don't know, a lot of people say that me take too long for forward, but you don't know, Andre will tell say I'm busy. So, but anything for the people, they know I'm always over there.
Yeah.
So, what's the take on the situation right now? Because justice of the serve.
Yes, Jamaica.
And the take on the situation right here more.
Come out, Jamaica. What in the world, Jamaica?
Justice!
We want
Justice!
God on him!
Stay
on him!
Donna!
We want
Justice! 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 Justice!
We want
Justice!
We want
Justice!
God on him!
Donna Lee!
Stay on him!
Donna Lee!
We want
Numbers!
We want
Numbers, Jamaica! Watch them! Watch them!
We want
What a bangarang!
Justice!
Donna Lee! We need justice! We're talking for the justice of this country, Jamaica. Yes, my friend, you come out stylish. What a bangarang. You know, she said the crowd I get more.
Obviously, that is Patricia for the last year for early.
Yes, we need more people to come join the protest. More people can join the protest, man. To that big Sunday morning.
Nobody yet? Woman yet?
Who? Which one?
Where's the new information here? No, she takes a lot.
Be patient, my friend.
I believe I do.
Be patient. It's probably coming at the right hour. Yes, Jamaica. More people coming to the protest. Join the protest. Uncle, blessings. Sharon, put me.
That's already go.
No.
Eh? It's already I give
Yeah,
you.
put it in the vehicle. Blessings, blessings. Yes, Jamaica, I am here. Come on, Jamaica.